Hello and welcome to my channel. Are your project meetings dragging for a long time? Are your project meetings not giving you outcome? Don't worry, you're not alone, but it doesn't have to be that way. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of running a very effective project management meeting. If you're a project manager, aspiring project manager, practicing project manager, this video is for you. It is very apparent that as a project manager, you're able to run effective meetings. Why? In most projects, a project manager is always chairing the meetings. So if you're chairing the meetings and you don't know how to run them effectively, you will not achieve what you want to achieve in that meeting. So I'm going to take you through step by step with different sections on how you should run your meetings effectively if you're a project manager. So let's get started. So long time ago, we used to assign a minute taker for meetings. That was very helpful. But this day and age, we now have AI, artificial intelligence, which is now helping us to take the meetings, which is now helping us to take the minutes, and also at the end of the day, and also at the end of the meeting, it will also help us to summarize. However, that does not take away the need for a minute taker. The reason for a minute taker is you want to emphasize some points and assign responsibility. So every meeting, as a project manager, you must have a minute taker. Someone who's going to record, especially very critical action items, agreed or decided in the meeting proceedings. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button, so that you're the first person to be notified each time a new video is uploaded on this. What I normally do in my projects is I've got a project administrator. So the project administrator, one of the main responsibilities I've given, or TOR, terms of reference for the project administrator, is to be taking minutes in every meeting, whether it's at higher level, project board, whether it's at project management level or team level. As long as the project administrator is invited, is around, is in the meeting, the expectation is to take very important points. But I have it in a two-stepped process. I also take the AI notes, the AI summary, and then I also take the minutes from the project administrator, put them together. In most cases, I found that to be very effective. In case there's something that was missed by the project administrator, it will be covered from the AI notes. In case the AI could not translate properly some of the terms used in the meeting, at least you'll find that the minute taker has also picked it properly. So it's very important that even if you're chairing the meeting as a project manager, or you're not even chairing the meeting or any meeting, project meeting, always have someone to take note of very important points, or especially action items. That is very good for the project, and it also makes sure that every meeting that is discussed, there's a follow-up. I've seen some meetings with some project managers who conduct some meetings, and then there's no summary of action items. If you want me to do another additional video based on what we have discussed earlier in terms of how to effectively run a project meeting, or you have any questions or clarifications, let me know in the comment section below.